Hey guys, it is Greg again. I want to give a quick update. I made a mistake on the Fantom area. I wanted to show you something, but want to give a update, give you guys more realistic view of what's going on in the crypto markets. And if you want to go get some false information, we'll go listen to the YouTubers that tell you it's always bullish. Like some other guys that had a $550,000 portfolio, and now he willingly admitted on YouTube. I wish I could find that clip. I'm not going to mention his name because I want to give, well, I don't know. I wouldn't even admit it on YouTube, but his $550,000 portfolio, don't quote me on the numbers, it went down to $137,000. And there's people that listen to that guy. A $500,000, $500,000 portfolio went to $137,000, and there's people that follow this guy. I find it unbelievable. This is a poor analogy, but if you worked for an investment firm or investment bank or a hedge fund, he would get the Donald Trump. You're fired. Just like that. At least I would. So anyhow, I wanted to go over more of an update because I was waiting for confirmation. And Bitcoin did do a 5-wave impulse off the bottom. Okay. And you can see it's nice and clean. And you can see there to there, it's creating that divergence. So in my opinion, I'm sticking to my story. I think there's some sort of temporary trend change with BTC. So now I'm going to watch it, see where the second wave retrace is, and see where it's going to go from there. And then the other area, I showed Fantom, and I showed it was too small of an area. So here with Fantom, the reaction here is I thought this was 3-wave-ish, and then this coming down. So I'm going to watch Fantom to see, okay, what kind of wave is it going into? So this could be 3, maybe it's an impulse. It doesn't have any divergence. So, you can see from here on the RSI, there's a little bit right there. It's not that strong, but this, you check this out right here on this retrace, that's a good retrace down the gold pocket and coming near that 786. So on a second wave. So I'm still going to pay attention to Fantom, see what's going on there, see if it gets a decent reaction too off the bottom. I made a mistake in the first video with that. And then going over the DXY, the other thing is I was thinking about, there's a couple things with the DXY that, you want to be paying attention to. Are these areas on the daily? If it breaks that, it already broke that, and then the next one here is at 103.8. But this is the area I'm looking for the DXY to peak. This was kind of my target area. You see, it went just past my box, and then I was expecting to get up not this high, but and then maybe do a reversal. So I was thinking about that after my last video, is that at some point, you see here on the DXY, let me take a look at the 3-day. You get better data. Okay, it can still keep going up. It can still keep going up, but there's the third. Here's some sort of third and a fifth. If it takes that out, it'll keep going up. But those are the two critical areas I see for the DXY. But maybe it's coming up on a peak and then it's doing a trend change or a correction on the DXY because it has gone up significantly recently. So I'm thinking that is a possibility. And then put that with BTC right now, trying to put all this together, is that possibly, that there might be some sort of temporary trend change. Don't know yet. What was the other coin I wanted to look at here? Not Apecoin. Fantom, went over Fantom. Yeah, that's pretty much it. And they're just keeping track of Apecoin too. Apecoin's doing its moonshot, finishing up its 5th wave move. So see where that goes. And that, I think right now, the shorts on Bitcoin, and the shorts in the other coins right now might want to be a little bit careful on the shorts. So that's just my take on it. They're starting to see some pretty good reactions on for some of these coins right now. Like look at what's happened here with Aave. Doing shy, did a pullback. Is Aave have a trend change? It possibly could. It possibly could. Same thing. They're starting to have pretty decent reactions right now. So, my thing right now, what I'm going to do. Oh, I was going to go over Hex. Hex, that was it. Hex. Everybody, it's like all probably bullish on Hex. Let's see Hex. Take a look at Hex here, guys. So let's see. What's the story on the street on Hex right now? This is the bottom. 10 cents. You could say that's the bottom. 1, 2, 3, 3, 4, 5. And is this a second wave correction and it's going off into that? Let's take a look at the volume, see what's going on here. Let's take a look on the volume on Hex. You see that? You see that, guys? Look at that volume down there on Hex, right there. This whole area, this selling volume, huge amount of volume over here compared to over here. So more than likely, this is a corrective move of some sorts. So I don't know what's going on with it. Maybe it's the courses that were going on that are like trying to pump this thing back up. But if it's pumping it up into a corrective move, here's the problem: it'll go up, 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 and it just swing back down. So this needs to correct and find its bottom. In my opinion, I don't think that that's a sustainable bottom for Hex. In my opinion, I just don't. This is. I know it'll have low volume off the bottom. Buying volume and green candles and stuff, but it's not looking good. It's not looking good. So no evidence of a sustainable bottom right there on Hex, in my opinion. So still have the target blue box area, 8 cents. All right, guys. Thanks for watching. Peace.